Yes, Anjali, having covered the BJP and various political parties, I would say that BJP is one party which actually believes in ensuring that when it is about elections, it's about all hands on deck. That yes, it's Home Minister Amit Shah who's overseeing all the negotiations. It is his man Friday and one of the closest leaders, someone who has a great degree of understanding of Bihar, Dharmendra Pradhan, who is the election in charge. BJP certainly believes in ensuring that when it is about important elections and negotiations, it should happen backroom, but at the same time, the ambitions of multiple leaders have to be recognized. For all those who were, saying or thinking that will Chirag really walk out of this alliance, it was very clear. He is a weather vane of Indian politics like his father, late Ramvilas Paswan. So he understands the arithmetic advantage that NDA has at present in Bihar. So it was unlikely that Chirag would have walked out of this alliance. He has the support of the Prime Minister. He has enjoyed working with him. And hence, he would want to continue with this alliance. And that is why 29 for the LJP is an important number that he has managed to extract from the negotiations that he did in the last 1 week.